Hey guys, it's me, Steph, and there have been a lot of things I've been wanting to review. I didn't really know how to really review them either. One of the things I had picked up last week at the Morphe store was the 10M Midnight Gleaming palette by Morphe. And this is supposed to be their New Year's Day palette. Let me actually read it off the website. So it retails at $22 right now. It is a limited edition. Put on the glitz with these 10 shimmering shades featuring velvety silk slip toppers and glam glitters. You'll be serving up looks that will be sure to sparkle. It's your ultimate shining moment, Morphe Babe. Finish. Shimmer and silk slip toppers. So, let me see this so I can see the camera. So this is the palette right here. It comes in this super sleek, pretty silvery gold type thing. Now, I've already used this, so if it's not pretty or whatever, this is the palette. So what I like to do, what I've been doing lately, especially with the screen, like the protective thing that says the names, I like to just tape them to my palette. That way I know the names of all the titles, because some of the palettes don't have names on it, and I just really like to just be able to know the names of the different colors. So I don't know how I should do the swatches. I don't think it'll come out right. We could just try doing my arm like this and seeing how it goes. So the first color is Countdown. I could try doing it. I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't do justice, and it's so pretty. But also some of these are like, what is it? Like they're toppers. So, hold on. Yeah, that's not going to do shit. If anything, I think I'm going to have to do another recording of it going on my arm. Let's see if I could try another angle. Oh God, I fucked it up. Let's see. I mean, yeah, you can barely see that. It's so faint. So this was like, is really bad to do. Also, they are like, again, they are toppers. So it will just, I guess, make another effect on the other colors. Let me just try to wipe this and see how else we could do this. Or, you know what? Let's read the description, because maybe I'll say some. Okay, so I could just read the stuff off. So the first one, this color right here, this one, is called Countdown, which is an icy gold silk slip topper. And then the second color right here is called Drippin Diamonds, and it is a antique silver silk slip topper. Right here is Kiss Me, which is a raspberry glitter. Now, I'm pretty sure I can show you the glitters because these look so fucking cool. Okay, so here we go. Here, that's fine, I guess. So I will, my hands are really dry, sorry. Okay, that didn't do shit. Wait, yeah. I want to show you guys, and it's so pretty, but I don't know how to angle myself to do it. I guess this? No, that looks really shitty. My arm looks so bad. Maybe I could do it on this side. Does that do any justice? No, this doesn't do shit. This doesn't do shit. But it's so pretty. I don't know how to show you guys this. If I do a separate video, maybe. But, okay, I mean, hopefully, just, like, looking at this, you can, like, kind of tell just, like, how fucking pretty it is. So, okay. This one right here, this is called Invite Only, and it is a steel blue silk slip topper. This one right here is called 12 O'Clock, and it is a warm silver silk slip topper. And then now we are at row 2. So this is called Champagne Toast, and it is a champagne silk slip topper. And then this one is called Gold Moment, and it is just gold glitter. It's so fucking beautiful. I really wish you can just, like, see it. Like, there's no way. Maybe I could put, like, a smear on my cheek. Right here. Like, it's... See? That shit is, like, fucking blinding, isn't it? Here. Maybe I could do the pink so you guys can see that, too. Yeah. And then the third one is sparklers, and this is a silvery gold glitter. It's just gonna look like fucking here. For this one here. I mean, you do see like a shimmer, obviously, and then the second to last is Swanky, which is a golden lavender silk slip topper. And then the last one is Black Tie, and it is a black gold silk slip topper. And let me also wipe my face. But, like, you can see it. It's fucking there, and it's gorgeous and blinding, and I fucking love it. Let me read their insider tips, because they also say a bunch of stuff. So let me go read this real quick as I try to take this shit off my face. Okay, so they have insider tips. Layer'em Babe. Get the best of the 2 silk slip topper shades by using the deeper shade as a base color. And then it says, press the lighter shade on the top with your fingers using, and then they have like specific brushes you can use. Hold on. Yeah, there's so much fucking glitter on my face. I really wish you could see how bad this is. I have a mirror. Oh, lordy. That is a mess. Oh, God. Yep, that's a mess. Look at this. This is fucking... Okay, well, you can't really see it, but if you looked at my face, there's so much fucking glitter on it. Let's see. So it basically tells you what to do. Go real deep. For soft to medium depth, use deeper shades like Invite Only, 12 O'Clock, and Black Tie in the crease as a base. For extra dimension, use matte shadows as a base, then stamp on a similar or matching silk topper shade on top. Glitz like this. Pop some glitter on the inner eye corner or lower lid, center of eyelid, or on the brow bone as they catch the light best. Keep any glitter in the crease low-key. Too much can make eyes look undefined. Let it sparkle. Swipe silk toppers on eye crease, corner crease, or eyelid for a subtle definition. Also use them as a flashy highlight on the cheekbones, cupid's bow, bridge of your nose, or collarbones. I mean, yeah. Let's see what I could do. There's a lot of glitter on here. I mean, I could try to use... Oh, God. Oh, fuck me. Fuck. Hold on. Well, I put champagne on this finger. So, I've seen people, like, go down their nose. And go here. Right? I mean, I'm sure I could blend it some more. But it gives the look of a super slender nose, which is also really crazy to me at how simple certain fucking makeup can make your face look. Okay. Well, I mean, that's really all there is to talk about this palette. So I will cut it here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and find me on my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.